Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today in front of me, I actually have the all-new DC Blades Ceto. Now, for those who don't know, DC Blades is a collab project between me and my buddy Chris from Old Squirrel Knives. So as usual, link in the description to his Instagram. Go check him out. He does some beautiful work. Now, I'm also going to put a link to the DC Blades Instagram page as well. Go give it a follow. Also, if you want to get one of these bad boys, I will say right now before this video gets started, it will only be available right now through the pre-order only. We cannot guarantee anything after fulfillment, as that's kind of the reason of the pre-order, so we can kind of gauge how many we need. And if there are any left over, then we'll probably do a drop or something. I really don't like doing drops because I don't like when people miss out. So if you want to get one, definitely go grab one on the website, dcblades.net. Yes, dcblades.net. Sign up for notifications while you're there. You don't want to miss out. Now, probably by the time this video goes up, the pre-order will be live. So go ahead, go over there and grab you one. We actually have, two different options available. Plus, you get to choose which color pivot you like. Don't pass up that option when scrolling down because it is there. You could pick a, blue, black, and gold. So, yeah, pretty much kind of customize it a little bit. As far as the inlays go, the only inlay color we're going to be using on these is the black micarta, which looks absolutely fantastic. You can see this one right here, we actually oiled up. Kind of looks really dark and rich for the DLC. But right here, I haven't been oiling this one as much. On the satin, gives it that real kind of fabric-y micarta look, which I absolutely love. But titanium handle, milled titanium pocket clip. The pocket clip will have a little bit more height to it to fit like blue jeans and stuff like that. Thicker materials will be able to slide all the way down. That is something that I immediately noticed on these, and of course we fixed it. The action on these, absolute butter. I mean, mid-grind knives, of course, is absolutely killer when it comes to producing knives for, a somewhat reasonable price. I mean, the max cost for a mid-grind knife is right around $200, which is, of course, what we're going to be selling these for. We are not trying to make a killing off anybody. We just really want to put great knives in people's pockets. Anybody who likes a good clip point, though, should 100% try one. You can always sell it if you don't like it, but I think you'll like it. The thing is, with the handle, you can see the ergonomics are kind of wonky, but that's for a reason. This thing feels absolutely fantastic in hand. Now, we did work on that quite a bit. Just make sure we had everything right because I really wanted it to feel like a much bigger knife in hand. Now, of course, it's only about 7.5 inches total in length, so it's not going to take up a lot of pocket real estate. But at the same time, we added enough girth to it to where it actually feels like a much bigger knife. Action again, very, very smooth. I've never had any complaints with the action on a mid-grind knife anyway, so hopefully you guys have tried one yourself, because if not, you're missing out. But yeah, everything about it just really makes me excited for this project. I can't wait to get more feedback from all you guys' channels and all the buyers that get one. That's really what does it for me. It's just the somebody coming back and saying, hey man, I grabbed your knife, I absolutely love it. That's worth more than money to me. But like I said, titanium handle, M390 blade. The only difference between this and the production run is the finish will be a regular stonewash finish. We love this blasted look, but the thing is, it kind of shows the snail trails a little too easy. We don't want to sell you something that in 3 months of being in the pocket, it's going to look like shit. They just, I couldn't live with myself for doing something like that. So I hope you guys appreciate that. I'll put a little sample over to the left what it will look like. That is actually a collab project between DC Blades and Dirk Pinkerton. You're seeing it first right here, by the way. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Of course, if you sign up for notifications on the DC Blades website, we will be keeping you updated on all the releases. But like I said, by the time this video hits, the pre-order will be open. Go get yourself one if you are interested. I promise you will not be let down. This is definitely a great purchase. And I'm not just saying that because it's our design or anything like that. Essentially, this is a Migron knife. They made it, so you really can't complain. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I will be having another couple of releases I'll be announcing here soon. I'll go ahead and show y'all guys. This is the XL Scythe. Will be out in first quarter of 2024. Really excited about this one as well. I'll show it more in the next video. But White Mountain Knives is also going to have some of our blue micarta scythes. Go check them out. Sign up for notifications over there as well if you want to be let in on the drop. I think it's happening sometime in November, but they should have some of the black scythes as well, and maybe even the jade in black. So keep your eyes peeled. Anyway, thanks again to everybody involved. I want to just go ahead and say I appreciate everybody sticking with me at this channel for as long as y'all have. I've been going through some really tough shadow banning, and it's super discouraging. I really don't like making videos anymore per se because of that. It just kind of takes the fun out of it, just knowing that, you know, my previous videos would get tens of thousands of views, and then now all of a sudden I'm getting a few hundred. It just, you know, it's kind of discouraging. So I appreciate all you guys' support over the last few years, and dcblades.net. Go get one while you can. Later, guys.